Hey babe. Um, yeah, hey, I watched your video. It was really cute. I'm still sick, and it pretty much sucks. Cause today I took my final, and it was like, for choir, I had to sing with this voice. No, not good. So, it was kind of whatever. Uh, Today was Asian Pacific Month, so there was a performance today. It was okay. It was good. And what else has been going on? Oh my god, I can't believe how fast this week is going. Cause like, it's already Thursday. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there's gonna be Sweeney Todd, the play. Yeah, they're doing Sweeney Todd as a play this year. So I didn't want to do it because it looks really gay. But I'm just gonna see how that goes. And on Monday, I think my grandma and my aunt, they come here. They're gonna stay at our house. So hopefully that will go well. And then, okay, oh yeah, Monday, senior prank. Tuesday is my last day. So I'm gonna just paint in my mural in the art room. And what else? Oh, and Wednesday, Sayonara Matsuri. What else? Graduation practice, and then graduation on Thursday. And then project graduation. Oh my god, so fast. I have no idea, this year is going to go by so fast. I'm not even ready. I don't even know what I'm doing. So, I don't know. This sucks. What else? I don't know. Oh. Fuck. I don't know. I feel like I had more to say. Like, I'll just tell you on the phone when I think about it. So, yeah. Oh my god, I'm going nuts. Okay. Look at my room, it's messy. I think I'm gonna start packing. So, I love you. And I will talk to you tomorrow or something. I don't know.